Into the pandemic, Spokane County has hit a grim milestone. More than 1,000 people have died because of COVID-19. But there are signs of hope, including fewer people in the hospital and a drop in overall case trends.
Well, Aaron, you can see that here where cases are going down on a 2-week average. Right now, there are still about 585 new cases per 100,000 population. And this still doesn't mean it's time to let your guard down. Eleni Dow gives us a look at where hospitals are at with this COVID surge and explains what they're worried about next.
Just like the rest of the state, MultiCare is seeing a decrease in COVID-19 hospitalizations. During this surge at the peak, they had about 70 people hospitalized between its 2 hospitals. Now that number is at 28. And one health leader tells me he's cautiously optimistic about it.
I don't think we're done with the COVID virus yet. I think we still have a little ways to go.
A ways to go, as you can see. While we're seeing fewer COVID cases and fewer people going to hospitals, Spokane County is still seeing more cases than the spring surge and just as many as last winter. Dr. David O'Brien is the chief executive and senior vice president for MultiCare in the Northwest. He says they still can't catch a break.
So while the COVID census is down, we're seeing very high volumes in the hospital with non-COVID patients. Some of this, we believe, is related to deferred care because of concern about COVID.
Today, 108 people with COVID are being treated in Spokane hospitals. That number has been declining for the last few weeks, inching towards the double digits. We haven't seen that since the start of August. Health leaders in Idaho are also concerned about the next few months as RSV and flu season kick in. They know people are feeling COVID fatigue.
We are expecting, because people are not adhering to some of the prevention measures as much as they were last winter, that we could see an impact of influenza infections on our hospital and clinic capacity.
All these healthcare professionals can do now is hope. Hope that things get better and hope that people get vaccinated to help them. In Spokane, Eleni Dow, 4 News Now.